In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add pieces on chess.com using the analysis board. This is super useful if you want to study positions, recreate games, or test out different scenarios without starting a full match. By the end of this video, you'll be able to fully customize any chess position in seconds. If this helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple chess and tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and head over to chess.com. Once you're on the homepage, look over to the left-hand sidebar. You'll see a menu with different options like Play, Puzzles, Learn, and Train. What you want to do is hover your mouse over the Train option. When you do that, a drop-down menu will appear. From that drop-down, go ahead and click on Analysis. This will open up the chess.com analysis board, which is where all the magic happens. This tool is designed for reviewing games, analyzing moves, and most importantly for this tutorial, setting up custom positions. Once the analysis board loads, look over to the right-hand side of the screen. You'll see a panel with different icons and options. What you're looking for is the setup position icon. It usually looks like a small chessboard with a plus symbol on it. Go ahead and click on that. As soon as you click it, the board will switch into setup mode. Now you'll see a tray or panel with all the chess pieces available. This includes both white and black pieces, and you can add as many as you need depending on your position. To add pieces, simply click and drag any piece from the side tray onto the board. For example, if you want to add an extra queen or place a knight in a specific square, just drag it and drop it exactly where you want it. You can repeat this for as many pieces as you like until your position is complete. If you make a mistake, don't worry. You can easily move pieces around or remove them by dragging them off the board. This makes it really flexible when you're experimenting with different setups. Now, once you've placed your pieces, there's another helpful feature you should know about. Go ahead and click on the highlight option. This allows you to mark squares, visualize moves, or emphasize key areas on the board. It's especially useful if you're studying tactics or trying to explain a position to someone else. At this point, you've successfully created your own custom chess position on chess.com. You can now analyze it, play against the engine, or even share it with others. And that's it. Super simple. You now know how to add pieces on chess.com and fully customize your board for analysis and practice. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.